Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y33s and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. And now at the third place we have mirrored selfie option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on camera mirror effect as we need. And we have to also remember that this works when we use front camera and mirror left or right when we want to take selfies, so we have to remember to change it from back to front one by using this button from the right to switch cameras. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.